Pay you got such some say you promise I bear me pay.
Ta me mut ban ong ba baro arngut ki bahai maya. Layya pide.
Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi bas nyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Rangkynsai Cricket Club kalalong ka kanhun yelek kai benyora ya kanam Lahduh hagalampung yelek kai jong ka Shillong Cricket League Super Division arja arpun Rio melapaniat da ka Shillong Cricket Association Hapulu hadin bakalala penim no ya ka Royal Cricket Club dan Rio Wicket hagaji kun ya ka final kabalong akan nyau tarik ulber arja arpun Rio ka Royal Cricket Club kabala job ya ka jinga kenting pisa kelakam bentiet nengkong bat kalala bentiet sispa nyau pu aran nagi arsan point over bat hablut barok kinong tiet kat baka Rangkynsai Cricket Club kababe ya kani katong kalala baniyo sispa nyup sanran naki lai pupra point over bat job sendan ya kani jiakun dan Rio Wicket ya ka kusnam player of the match na kani jiakun layo ra du Aryan Bora bat ya ka trophy syaka Rangkynsai Cricket Club kaulong ka Lahduh lasam du presiden jak Meghalaya Cricket Association u James Sangma bolong ru kongsan rengkat ka jing sakilang jo kinong yalam Shillong Cricket Association bat kiwei
I would like to give a big round of applause to the Shillong Cricket Association. From the Shillong we've been with them for the last 3 seasons. Reason being, they've been utilizing the ground, which I was utilizing myself for my tournaments. But since Peter McDonald, Mackie, ever since he came and met me, I've given them the chance to utilize the ground for the last 3 seasons. And in these 3 seasons, I've seen them improving with each season. So I won't take much of your time. I would like to congratulate them once again and wish them the best in the future endeavors. And I would like to give a token of appreciation for the SCA and the MCA as well. So I call upon both the president of the SCA and the MCA.
Thank you.
Congratulations once again. This is from my side, some company.
Thank you. Really appreciate it.
It gives me great pleasure to formally launch the official website of the Shillong Cricket Association.
Ladies and gentlemen, the website is now officially launched. Let us give a big round of applause. We are confident that this digital initiative will play a significant role in promoting and strengthening cricket in Shillong and beyond. Let's give a big round of applause for him.
I once again take great pleasure in unveiling the trophy for the late P. Sangma Memorial Cup, which is being organized by the Shillong Cricket Association in association with the P. Sangma Foundation.
first of all, I want to thank the Shillong Cricket Association and all the respected members who are present today. We are very grateful for your support throughout the season, throughout the tournament. And I want to thank all the participating team, especially the runners-up, the Royals. They have played very beautifully throughout the tournament, but hardly they couldn't perform well today. They couldn't capitalize the situation that they were in. I'm grateful and very happy as a leader to proudly lift the trophy this year. This trophy is very emotional for me personally, for our honor, Tamak, and for all the players, as this is the fifth final that we have been playing continuously, and and in the past four occasions we were in the runners-up side. So this final means a lot for all of us. And then I'm very proud to be as a captain leading a wonderful side. I don't have to do much because all of them are playing stage in different categories. Um I'm very happy, and then I'm very proud of all of you, all of your contributions, no matter in whatever way it came, through bat, through fielding, through bowling, in every way. And not to forget our coach, his role was also very important to manage this manage this superstar team, which we say, because all of them are current state players, so it's very difficult to control all the all the good emotions that they bring. So thank you so much for the for all the fans and the players turning up today to watch this beautiful final. And then that's it. Thank you so much.
Lifting the trophy and a cash prize of 50,000 rupees. Congratulations, Rangkynsai.
First of all, I'd like to thank the Shillong Cricket Association for giving me this opportunity to be here in your midst. And I'm really very thankful to Peter and all the other members of the Shillong Cricket Association for organizing this wonderful tournament. This is not an easy feat to organize a tournament, and that too with this kind of success that we can see today. So, really, kudos and congratulations are in order to Bapita Karsavian and all the members of SCA for organizing this tournament. The tournament in itself uh, is something that gives an opportunity. It's a platform for so many of our budding young talents, our players, our cricketers who are in our state who aspire to maybe one day represent and make their country proud. But it is also an opportunity for the whole ecosystem to really come up and grow. And this is what has been lacking in Meghalaya for so long. But I'm so pleased to see the number of tournaments that are coming up in our state today. And really, it goes to show the kind of leadership that we have in our state in terms of the leaders who are leading the cricket associations, the vision that they have, and the zeal and the enthusiasm to pursue that goal and that vision is something that I feel so happy to share with you. And I would like to, on behalf of the Meghalaya Cricket Association, would like to offer our support to all the districts, to all the district cricket associations in whatever endeavor that they pursue for the benefit for cricket, to develop cricket in our state, that the MCA has your back. The MCA will full-heartedly and wholeheartedly support each and every district cricket association. The sky is the limit for cricket in Meghalaya, and I truly believe that. And this is something that we can clearly see from these kind of tournaments which are organized at the kind of level of professionalism, at the level of talent that we have in our youngsters. I get goosebumps when I hear of the achievements of our young players who have not just brought pride to themselves, to their families, but to us as Meghalayans. So thank you so much to each and every one of you, to each and every player present here today. I congratulate Peter's team. And I know he's a very happy man today. But today he's sitting here as the president of SCA, not as the owner of Rangkynsai, I'm pretty sure. But congratulations to the team for winning this tournament. You've put up a great performance. It's been great teamwork, as I've been told. And I'm so happy to the team that has won. Of course, the team that came second, I congratulate both of you you as well. But the true victor, I think, today, the winner really is cricket in Meghalaya today. And for that, I once again, not just the association, but all of you, the players, the match referees, the officials, all of you, and the groundsmen, all of you, for putting up such a wonderful effort in organizing this tournament. I don't have much to say, but just that I'm very thankful for this opportunity. I, as president of the Cricket Association of Meghalaya, would like to say this in front of all of you, that I am very, very keen to take cricket to the next level in Meghalaya. We don't have our own stadium. And this is what my vision and my dream is, that we must have a cricket stadium of our own. We must have cricket grounds in each and every district. We must ensure all the necessary infrastructure and facilities available to our players. And this is not something that is a very, very hard dream to achieve. I feel that it is well within our reach. And I'm sure, with the help of our government, our Honorable Chief Minister, Mr. Conrad K. Sangma, that we will be able to achieve this. We will be able to seek the necessary support from BCCI, which has been really instrumental in taking cricket to what it is today in our great nation. So this is the kind of small dream that I have for our state. I'm also very happy today that we've been able to unveil the new late PA Sangma Memorial Cricket T20 Cricket Tournament. And I'm thankful to Peter and the Shillong Cricket Association for partnering with the PA Sangma Foundation to have this tournament. And I would like to also inform all of you that we intend not to just have it as a one-off that is just for this season, but to institutionalize it and to have it every year. And we will, as PA Sangma Foundation, will partner with the Shillong Cricket Association so that this becomes an annual event, an annual affair.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale! Gorgeous. Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. Or ghar wale hi late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles.
cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है. ऑटोमेटिक गियर बॉक्स, वेंटिलेटेड सीट्स, सनरूफ.
क्यों ना हो, फैमिली का सबसे यंगेस्ट भी तो है. Let's go guys, party time.